Hello, Achieve. Happy Wednesday and happy World Wildlife Day. So, every day this week, we are going to be focusing on a different celebration that's taking place on that particular day and tying those celebrations in with different habits of success that we might use in order to celebrate that day and also just have an impact in our world. And today happens to be World Wildlife Day. And so we're going to be talking about the habit of success that is self-awareness and trying to identify the impacts that our actions might have on others. Sometimes things that we do have an impact on the whole world. Things like driving a car, pollution, climate change, global warming, smog, all of these different things come from driving a car. And so we just need to be more aware of those things and make small changes in our lives so that we can be good stewards of our planet, make sure that our planet lasts for a really long time. So that's what World Wildlife Day is doing. It's bringing attention to a certain, part of wildlife. This year, the theme is forests and livelihood and being able to sustain the people and the planet. And so I'm going to show you some examples of times when people did not be good stewards of the planet. This is an example of what they call deforestation, basically cutting down the trees in the forest. You can see all the trees in the background. This used to be a beautiful, lush forest that was home to so many different kinds of animals and so many different people. Up to 300 million people across the world actually live in forests and are dependent on forests for their livelihoods. That's where they get their food, their shelter, their medicine. And when those forests are cut down, the people and the animals lose their habitat, lose the things that they need in order to survive. So I'll show you another example. This is an example of pollution. When, people throw stuff out the window, they don't think it's any big deal, just one little bottle, or I'm going to toss it on the ground. The thing is, the litter and things that we toss out become pollution in our waterways. And these waterways are crucial to our livelihoods for not just forest people, but, all people are dependent on the water that's in the rivers and the lakes. And so we have to be super conscious of the way that we're, dealing with our trash. And so I also want to show you an example of a time when people did try to help the planet, did respect the planet, and becoming aware of how their actions might be having a positive effect. And so this is a little video that is set in a place called Bhutan, which is up in the mountains, 11,000 feet actually. And they're trying to conserve tigers.
Wow. I can't believe that. Wow. Nothing except people. No.
And it's very frustrating because it's been almost a month.
Nothing.
And we have nothing. And I'm starting to be really stressed.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Very nice.
يلا ما
Very
هو
big.
الفرن وين؟
No, very big. Very big.
So they were so excited to get those photos of the tigers because that's how they prove that what they're doing is working. The World Wildlife Fund is actually working with the government of Bhutan to conserve the tigers and make sure that their forest habitat is there for them for a really long time. And so conservation efforts can work, and small changes that we might make in our lives just by being aware of the impact that we have on our planet, those changes actually can make a difference. And so I'm going to have you guys just do a little bit of talking about what things you can do that contribute to the health of our planet. Have a great day, Achieve.